So y'all, right now we in the Burger King drive-thru finna get an ice cream cone. Got my ice cream cone. So y'all, I'm back in the car. We just left out of Walmart. And tonight I'm cooking cheddar cheesesteak. So it comes with beef steak, sliced and shaped, 4 cheese steaks, sandwiches, rolls, diced onion, and mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna give y'all a little update. So I got a camera. Yes, I got a camera. It's a Sony ZV-1F, and I got it like the other day, and I still can't believe I got it. Like, of course, I ordered the stuff for the camera, and it's supposed to be coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's stuff coming every day. So y'all will be getting that video of me unboxing the camera, setting up the camera, and all that. Yeah, the quality is gonna be A1. So we're gonna be pushing out more videos. And I'm tired of my phone telling me you don't got no more space. You need to delete some of these apps. So I'm tired of all that. And then I'll be paying for storage. So I don't get why I don't have storage. So videos gonna be dropping like crazy. Content gonna be like, girl, I'm ready to do this public interview. I'm ready to do pranks. I'm ready to do all that. So y'all need to lock in with my channel, watch my channel more. Stay tuned. Okay, get lit up there. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some ice folk, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Okay, so y'all, this is me taste testing the sandwich, even though I ate it up because it's good, but I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys. And don't mind how I look. I just got my twist and ponytail, but let's try it. Try it again. This is good. Y'all better not walk. Y'all need to run to Walmart and get that kit.
The next day.
Outfit of the day. Say hey, Smokey Jones. Say hey, my boy. I decided I had to finish with immediate big y'all. The vet couldn't see Smokey. Gotta go another day. But I'm on the way to visit my mama. Hey, to my vlog, Grandma.
Hi.
Grandma, you miss me?
Yes.
Y'all, I came to visit my grandma. And Smokey in her chill. But yeah, y'all. We're just chilling, watching TV. Say bye, Grandma.
Bye.
So y'all, we in a car. And I'm on the way home. That has been a day, y'all. It's hot. I'm hot. I'm ready to go get in the shower. Look at him, y'all. Smokey. Today has been a day for me. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, don't mind. I look rough. But it's the next day. And I got Popeyes. I not too long ago woke up to Popeyes. To my Popeyes chicken sandwich. And that's how it looks. And yeah.
something. We got a package. Smoky. We got a package that possibly come this morning. So we're gonna go get that. I both is on for my camera. So we're gonna unbox that on camera, and then this gonna be the end of the vlog because I gotta start the next video. Y'all, oh y'all gonna blow up the next video. Cause baby, y'all been asking for it. I had to wait on stuff to come in. It's just too much. Oh, you and my family, you watching this video, know what I want for my birthday? SD card. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen right here. Give me a whole bunch of them. I really appreciate it. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and go to the big box and get this package, and then I'll be back on the camera and show y'all what I got. So y'all, I went to the mailbox and I got the package, and I got another package. I took them out the box. The bag that it came in, I mean. So I got these little sandals. They just not coming. They was like $60. Ain't they cute, y'all? Ain't they so cute? I don't know. I just be buying stuff for real, y'all. And I never wear it. That don't make no sense. But let's go ahead and get this package. Okay, so basically, y'all know how they say your camera be down, right? So I ordered a charger and I ordered another battery. They was like, your battery gonna die fast. You need to order another battery. Cause I was researching, I watching YouTube videos, and they told me that your battery gonna die fast. You don't got enough of this percentage of a battery and whatnot. So let's unbox it and see what it's talking about. It's by this brand once again. And I looked up Sunny ZV1 batteries, and it came with this pack, so for $9. I should have waited to unbox it, but we're gonna unbox it. So basically, this is how it looks. Wait, which way it opens? Oh my god, yeah. I'm so geeked. It's basically a wall charger for real. And you just, let me open the battery. You can get like 3 batteries for $20, but honestly, I just got 2. The one that camera came with and this one. So, oops, that's the way. So it comes with these instructions. And oh, it come in a case. Okay. Oops. This is the battery. I'm gonna order some more though. I just ordered one just to have one when I do like videos in the house and vlogs. So they're supposed to hold a good percentage. Let me show y'all how to put it in. I had to watch tutorials on this too, because baby, this is my first camera. I don't know how to put the SD card in, how to do that. So, you basically just put it in there. Like, y'all see the line on this? Just pop it in there and charge it. And it's gonna turn, it tell you on the box it's gonna turn. Okay, plug the camera into the charger. Yeah. In the right, position. The light is red. Light is red when the charger battery when it's done charging. The light gonna turn red. But yeah, it's gonna turn red when it's fully charged. So yeah, y'all. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I had put my head in a ponytail because I just like it like that. Bye, y'all. See y'all next video.